Solana's SOL token is soaring to a 14-month high. This is the Solana chart. If you know somebody who owns Solana, you might want to send this video to them. A lot of people don't realize why Solana is doing so well. I know why Solana is doing well. Do you know why? In this video, I'm going to tell you and what you need to be prepared for. Guys, support the channel, like the video, let's jump into it. And let's be clear, we were talking about Solana weeks ago, months ago. We were telling you about Solana way before the price ever pumped. You are making a huge mistake if you think that Solana's price is pumping just because people like the coin. Sure, there's a lot of things to like about Solana, but something that we try to do on this channel, Altcoin Daily, is contextualize the rally, actually explain to you what's going on. So, why is Solana rallying so hard? Well, one reason is there's a huge Solana conference happening in Amsterdam right now. It's called Solana Breakpoint 2023. This is the when, this is the where, this is the map, and these are, take a look, they've got some of the biggest speakers in the space talking about Solana, rubbing elbows with other people into Solana, posting about Solana. No wonder the price is pumping. Now, obviously, that's not the only reason. Another huge thing, and again, we showed you this as soon as it happened. Subscribers of this channel were very informed on this. Van Eck, very recently, just published a report on the bull, the bear, and the base case for Solana as an investment. Their conclusion? Solana may outshine Ethereum by 2030. Now, their range for their bear versus bull versus base case was pretty vast. Could be $10 by 2030, could be $3,000 plus dollars, or their base case is $335, which is significantly more than today still. But it's important to realize that this is a thorough report on why exactly they're making these predictions. I encourage you to check out the whole thing yourself. It's pretty thorough, and you best believe that industry leaders, Van Eck is a known entity in the traditional financial industry. You better believe that many, many people read this report when published October 27th. Is that all? Of course not. By the way, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Daily videos just like this, keeping you informed on the entire cryptocurrency market. If you're interested in making money in cryptocurrency, subscribe to our channel, Daily Videos. Another reason why Solana is pumping is because it is no longer or coming out of FTX's shadow. As you know, FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, used to be huge Solana bulls. The rally for Solana this week comes as SBF's trial is underway and winding down. While the disgraced FTX founder, who is instrumental in supporting the Solana ecosystem, is under scrutiny, it looks as if investors are now ready to move past that black spot and focus on the network's potential. Now, FTX still controls some SOL, that's true. But what is less reported is that the FTX estate has agreed to stake 5.5 million of their Solana coins. Not to mention, Solana has been seeing so much bullish news over the past few months. The price is finally catching up. You remember, we reported this to you. Solana Pay integrates with Shopify as new payment option to transform commerce. Remember, 10% of global online e-commerce goes through Shopify. That's huge. Not to mention, so much news has been breaking this past week coming out of the Amsterdam Solana conference. For instance, Solana goes live on Google Cloud's BigQuery data analytics platform. This is a big deal. Google Cloud's BigQuery has integrated Solana, offering enhanced insights into the blockchain's archival data and analytics. Google for Blockchains, they've integrated Solana. NFT app Floor, one of Solana's dApps, is one of the first to leverage this new service, sending data on Solana NFT sales and listing to the BigQuery's platform. The news just keeps rolling out. Solana deploys nodes on Amazon Web Service. Understand, for better or worse, the association, the integration between both these giants in their respective industries makes people interested in Solana, makes people buy Solana. It just generates interest, obviously, and overall a positive step towards Solana's goals. Not to mention how Solana's NFT market is booming, generating revenue. Solana did 28 million worth of NFT sales over the past month, October. And if you haven't been able to keep up with this over the past 6 months, year, bear market, I understand. This is what I do. I keep tabs on this stuff. Solana has continued to ship, continued to update, and really make great strides with development in this entire bear market. And that positive news is finally catching up to it as Bitcoin's price shows strength. So I share this all with you. I show this to you to say, prepare for a pullback. Prepare for a Solana crash. Solana might just be going up too far, too fast, and when that happens, it can really only do one thing in the short to midterm. Question is this a blow off top or is this just another leg up? Because it could go up a little bit more obviously. But I just think all the good news that could generate more interest, more buying of Solana, I think it's drying up. Understand, I'm still bullish on Solana this cycle, obviously. Stuff like this, stuff like this, stuff like this, incredibly bullish. All I'm saying is don't buy the top. I like selling into the top, not buying into the top. So prepare for a pullback, prepare for a crash. And understand there's so many factors. The Solana price has a lot to do with the price of Bitcoin, so be flexible. I like this chart. I like this chart by miles. Now, obviously, don't be an idiot. It doesn't always work like this. There are so many factors. But I agree, it often works like this. So what I'm watching is Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin dominance keeps going up, a Solana crash, I'm talking about a bad one, it's almost certain. If Bitcoin dominance goes down, well, that's much better. And all we really need is a correction in Bitcoin dominance, right? That would mean Solana could have another leg up. So this is what I'm looking at. This is what we'll be reporting to you. I think if you're looking to find something like Solana, except it hasn't pumped as much, there's not as much high sentiment around it at the moment, check out the chart for Avalanche. And I bring it up because it seems like Avalanche is just starting its string of good news. Ava Labs proposes Astra upgrade to bolster subnet architecture on Avalanche. Ava Labs has proposed its Astra upgrade for Avalanche subnets to improve independent operations from the main blockchain. The first phase aims to simplify tasks for subnet validators, reducing the need for them to validate the primary Avalanche network. So they're making things a lot easier to build and develop and basically, going to be able to get users onto Avalanche. Yes, I know that Avalanche is shutting down its block explorer. This video really isn't about betting on Avalanche. I just wanted to show that to you. The video really is about, is Solana overheated? Do you think my thoughts on Solana are justified? I'm seriously curious to know what you think. Are you bullish on Solana this cycle like I still am? Do you agree with me that Solana just seems to be going up too high, too fast on so much good news? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you tomorrow.